In this tutorial we'll have a look at how to use the share options and how to see content shared to you. Please note that there are several ways to give other people access to your work. Make sure you follow the instructions that your class teacher has given you. So this is how to use the share function. So if we have a new document in our OneDrive area, please use the other tutorials on how to access OneDrive. If we hover over it, we get these various things come up, and there is a share option there. That will load up a share option. So if I wanted to share this with Mr. Murray, I can start typing Mr. N. Murray, and it will find Mr. N. Murray. I can click on there. I can now click on send, and that teacher will have access to that work. Alternatively, if you are actually within the document, so let's open that up, you'll see that there's also a share button at the top right. And that will give you exactly the same way of working. Now please note that as soon as you share that document, the person you've shared it with can see your work as it is developing. So if I continue to add work to this document, Mr. Murray in this case will continue to see your new work. There are similar share buttons within PowerPoint and in Excel to create the same process. If your teachers ask you to share work in another way, for example via email or assignments, please check out the relevant tutorials.